Hello, property owners and managers. Whether you're overseeing a single rental home or managing an entire residential complex, one essential task often overlooked is keeping detailed maintenance logs. Property maintenance is not just about fixing issues. It's about documenting actions, maintaining transparency, and protecting your investment. In this video, we'll explore the importance of detailed maintenance records in professional property management, their role in avoiding disputes, and how they contribute to legal compliance, cost efficiency, and tenant satisfaction. 1. Build a traceable property maintenance timeline. A comprehensive maintenance log provides a clear, chronological record of every repair and service activity, from plumbing fixes to HVAC servicing and structural work. Each entry showcases your commitment to responsible property care. This detailed history becomes invaluable when selling the property, making insurance claims, or defending your management practices in legal matters. With a structured record in place, you show that every aspect of your rental property is managed with diligence and foresight. 2. Resolve tenant disputes with confidence. When tenants report unresolved issues, maintenance records act as your factual defense. Instead of relying on memory or verbal exchanges, a time-stamped log showing the complaint date, service request, and resolution allows you to address disputes calmly and fairly. These records protect both landlords and tenants by proving responsiveness and timely action, building mutual trust, and reducing the risk of conflict, rental delays, or negative feedback. 3. Demonstrate legal compliance and readiness for inspections. Landlords must maintain habitable conditions and meet statutory deadlines for repairs. Detailed maintenance logs help demonstrate compliance with housing laws and regulations. Should a local authority inspect your property or a legal issue arise, your documented records act as evidence that you fulfilled your responsibilities. This proactive approach can save you from regulatory penalties or lengthy legal proceedings. 4. Gain insight into repair patterns and control your budget. Over time, maintenance logs reveal patterns, like recurring water leakages or seasonal HVAC servicing. These insights help in forecasting expenses and creating accurate budgets. You'll know when to repair and when it's smarter to replace. This results in smarter financial planning, improved capital expenditure decisions, and more cost-effective maintenance strategy for your property portfolio. 5. Strengthen vendor oversight and accountability. Working with external contractors or technicians, a maintenance log helps you evaluate their reliability and track each task performed. It allows you to document who did what, when it was done, and at what cost. If a contractor misses deadlines or delivers poor service, your records give you the proof to address issues or explore other options. On the other hand, consistent high performers can be rewarded with continued business, helping you maintain a quality network of service providers. 6. Add value and attract higher offers during property sale. When it's time to sell your rental property, a comprehensive maintenance record adds credibility and perceived value. Potential buyers are more confident when they see proof that the property has been properly maintained. Just like a car service history, a clean and complete maintenance record can justify your asking price and increase buyer trust. From roof replacements to appliance servicing, everything documented becomes a strong selling point. 7. Simplify security deposit settlements. Move-out inspections often lead to disputes about damages and deductions. Maintenance records help you compare the current state of property with historical upkeep and move-in inspection data. This documentation provides clarity, especially when determining legitimate deductions from security deposits. Transparent processes reduce friction with tenants and promote professionalism. 8. Stay ahead with scheduled preventative maintenance. A good maintenance log doesn't just track repairs. It also reminds you of scheduled servicing. From gutter cleaning to air filter replacements, staying ahead with preventative tasks extends the life of your systems and reduces emergency repair costs. Digital logs make it easy to set automatic reminders, keeping your maintenance on track and helping you maintain high standards across properties. 9. Improve team coordination and continuity. In managed portfolios or multi-unit properties, maintenance records act as a shared knowledge system. Whether you have multiple property managers or rotating staff, everyone can access the latest updates and past actions. This ensures consistency, avoids duplicated efforts, and enables seamless coordination. even when a team member is absent or replaced. Efficient internal communication directly translates into smoother operations. 10. Enhance tenant experience and encourage renewals. Tenants appreciate landlords who act promptly and professionally when it comes to maintenance. A well-documented system ensures no request is forgotten or delayed. By delivering fast, transparent, and consistent service, you create a more positive living experience. Satisfied tenants are more likely to renew their leases, leave favorable reviews, and care better for property, reducing tenant turnover and vacancy-related losses. Bonus tip upgrade to digital maintenance logs. For professional property management, paper notes and spreadsheets won't suffice. Adopt property maintenance software or cloud-based tools like Buildium, Upkeep, or Propertyware. These systems allow you to log tasks, upload photos, assign jobs to vendors, set reminders, and access information remotely. Digital records are not only efficient, but also reduce errors and create an audit trail you can rely on. Plus, they portray your operations as modern and reliable. Partner with SANGAU for smart, reliable property maintenance. At SANGAU, we understand that maintenance records are much more than checklists. They're the backbone of responsible property management. Our expert team in Bengaluru uses integrated tools to log every task, track vendor performance, and provide complete visibility to property owners. Whether it's routine upkeep or emergency repairs, we document all, keeping you informed every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay updated with more expert property management tips from SANGAU. And if you're ready to take the stress out of maintenance, contact us today to discover how we can simplify and streamline your rental property care in Bengaluru.